What's this? Gents' room. Gentlemen, sirs, kings are welcome here. Oh dear, yes, I'm afraid I did make a foray down into the dungeons. I wanted to find the gents anyway. You will see them later on briefly. But now on to part 2 and also the mystery of the coin. What the heck was I doing with that coin? Why was I doing it? So enjoy. Thanks very much.
Hi there.
Right.
We're here for afternoon tea.
Yes, if you would just like to go down that ramp, that's the other couple.
Oh, good I'll take you through it. Show you where it is. I'm a wee bit late.
That's all right.
Ah, we saw that view from the drone. Let's have another look at it. I think it's called a parterre.
Should final table for 2.
Did it again.
Try that again.
I did. Yeah, I was following it along the ground like this.
We'll lose it.
Ah, definitely.
Compared to some buildings nowadays, not just 10 years,
What's this? Oh, a selfie. Watercolour of Chatelherault Hunting Lodge by Ian Robinson, presented to South Lanarkshire Council by the Hamilton Civic Society. Mr David Bissett, president of the society, at the time of the gift, said the painting was bought to indicate our approval of the work to restore Chatelherault in 1987. Okay, this painting. Who's that? Parterre garden again. Nice from the air. Ooh, have a look at one of my other videos and you'll see it from the air by drone, along with this section of Chatelherault and the other section. This is the wedding section. That's what I'm calling anyway. Whew. Wow, it's quite a climb up these steps. It's almost as if it's sloping that way as well. Wow. Definitely slopey. Well, we are now in the Duke's room, and it's very obvious up here, especially I think up here, that there's some subsidence going on due to sand mining in the past, which has meant the whole place is actually sloping. It's quite weird. You maybe saw a little bit of video of me rolling a coin. I didn't have to roll it very hard, I really just had to get it started, and it ran away from me. Almost demolished a door as I tried to retrieve my 10-pence piece. So yeah, this is the Duke's room, and have a look at that, isn't that brilliant? Fabulous. What a ceiling. This is better. Good way to see it. We should have some classical music to accompany this. So the frontier led all the way down, the lawn led all the way down to the palace, somewhere there, which was demolished earlier last century. And I'm told that that was all perfectly level before, but due to the coal minings and sand, presumably sand removal, it's all been messed up, to great shame. And that's Hamilton over there. Yeah, good place, quirky place to have your tea, your high tea, which we have just had. So there we are. Thanks for looking in again. And don't forget to do the usual things. Well, this side of Chatelherault is amazing. Let's go and see if we can find the toilets. That's private, that's just for coats, okay. And a little throne. Oh. Seat on my little throne. That's this gents' room. Gentlemen, sirs, kings are welcome here. Okay. Very nice. Excellent. What's this? Gardener hand wash. Yeah. Natural, liquid. Fabulous. Right, okay. At this point, I'm going to switch off, I'm afraid.